everybody, and welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I am here with the weekly meal plan for February 12th through the 18th. All right, let's jump right in and get started. I have selected some old school washi that I broke out. This is some old Hobby Lobby washi that I actually hate. I like the colors, but I hate it because it has the white backing. And then these two. So we will begin by laying this down. So how did everyone do last week on their budgets? I went over budget. I got carried away. I ordered the groceries from Walmart as I normally do, but then I paid a visit to Target and I got a little carried away in Target. So I was about, I'm gonna say about $30 above my budget. But sometimes you go above your budget, but you really technically want to stay on budget. So this week I know my budget needs to be, I need to be right on point with my budget. Okay, let's see. And I'm using Skinny Washi this week. Some of the foods that was on the meal plan for last week, being a small family of 3 was really a lot of food, so you'll see one recycled meal this week that we're going to have because I didn't get to cook it last week. And that's going to be the blackened salmon. The gumbo, we actually ate on that for several days. That wonderful white backing. And I just let the tape fall on the floor, so that's where you guys see it coming from. And here goes our pop of color, and it will pull out the other colors as they are rather muted. It's right here down the center. Okay. To the grocery side and put the Skinny Washi in the middle. Gotta love this washi with the white back. You just have to love it. I try not to buy this anymore. So let's jump right in and add our menu. So this week is a navy blue Pilot friction pen in the 0.7. So we're planning for 212 through 218. The stickers this week are going to be coming from Agenda 52, the food sticker pack, and also the Payday foiled sticker pack. All right, so here goes our budget. I'm thinking the budget will be about $120 this week. I'm gonna try to stay within my budget. Okay. Okay, so on Monday, that meal will look familiar because last week for Sunday we have pork chops, Brussels sprouts, rice, mac and cheese. So we will have leftovers on Monday. Okay, Tuesday, of course, is Taco Tuesday, and we are having fish tacos this week. And I'm going to grab a taco sticker from this taco book. Let's see. What did I do? Here's a teeny tiny little taco. All right, so on Wednesday we are going to, this is definitely a recycled one. We're going to have blackened salmon and rosemary roasted potatoes. With sesame cucumbers. Supposedly salmon pairs well with cucumbers. Okay, on Thursday, you know I am teaching my millennial how to cook, so she is doing a crock pot meal, and Wednesdays doesn't work for her, so we've switched her day to Thursday. Slow cooker garlic chicken parmesan. And then Friday, we are either going to have leftovers or we're going to eat out. Sunday, we are having barbecue chicken, baked beans, and coleslaw. Okay, so this is our completed spread. Grocery list very short this week. I put a few extra stickers all from those Agenda 52 books that I showed at the beginning, and have my budget there, 120. I think I've overestimated, but with going over last week, it'll all come out in the wash. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, and we will see you next week. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Other than that, ciao bella.